In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Bard AI on Android. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do exactly is to go to the Play Store first. So once you are on the Play Store, simply go ahead on the search button and search the Bard AI. Right now, the Google have changed the Bard name to the Google Gemini, and what you have to do is to simply go ahead and install the Google Gemini. As you guys have As you guys can see that I have already installed the Gemini in my mobile phone. So you guys can simply access it by tapping on the application, and the other way is actually by using the smart keys or the features that your phone actually offers. So it varies from phone to phone. What you guys can do is to simply go ahead and hold on the power button and just leave the hold. By that way, the Google Gemini will be activated, as you guys can see that. I can use my microphone or I can tap on the screen to capture a screenshot to use and help me out. So either I can type in to ask Google Gemini to schedule anything or to do anything that I want it to do. Or the other thing is by clicking on the application, that way I will be able to use the Gemini. So this is how you guys can use it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Take care. Bye bye.